In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce lag on Google Meet. Whether you're hosting an important meeting or just catching up with friends and family, lag can be frustrating and disruptive. Luckily, there are several steps you can take to ensure your Google Meet runs smoothly. Let's dive into it. First and foremost, adjusting the video resolution can make a significant difference. When you're in a meeting, look for the three-dot menu in the lower right corner of your screen. This menu is your gateway to various settings that can help optimize your experience. Once you click on it, you'll want to select Settings. It's in this menu that you can influence how Google Meet performs on your device. Next, click on Video within the Settings options. Here, you can adjust the video resolution for sending and receiving. By default, your video might be set to high definition, or HD, which is 720p. While this offers great clarity, it also demands more bandwidth. If you're experiencing lag, switching from HD to standard definition or SD at 480p can ease the load on your internet connection and streamline the video flow. Another effective tip is to turn off your video camera when you're not speaking. This simple action reduces bandwidth usage significantly. Encourage others in your meeting to do the same. If everyone participates in this way, you'll have in essence replicated a conference call atmosphere, which can dramatically reduce lag and help maintain the meeting's pace. While you're in a session, try limiting additional activities like screen sharing and transferring large files. These tasks can hog your internet's bandwidth, leading to potential disruptions during your meeting. Minimizing these actions can help ensure a seamless experience for all participants. Additionally, ensure you're using the latest version of your web browser, whether it's Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Outdated browsers can be notorious culprits in contributing to lag, as they may lack the latest performance and security enhancements. Lastly, a cluttered browser cache can slow down Google Meet. Regular maintenance by clearing your browser's cache and cookies can improve performance. This can be done through your browser settings, typically under privacy and security, and choose to clear browsing data. It refreshes the browser's performance, giving you a cleaner slate for a hassle-free virtual meeting. By following these tips, you're well on your way to reducing lag in Google Meet. With a more efficient setup, you'll find that your meetings are more productive and enjoyable for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and I hope these insights bring more effectiveness to your virtual gatherings.